Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video is very important because tomorrow in exactly 25 hours we will see the FOMC rates being revealed, and this will be very important for volatile assets such as Bitcoin. So we will be discussing what the price changes can be to Bitcoin and the S&P 500 if the Fed will be hawkish or dovish, which I'll explain later on in the video. Also, this video is strictly not financial advice, just my opinion only, so make sure to do your own due diligence before investing. So let's jump into the Bitcoin charts because we are in a very critical moment here, and let's check the Fed Watch tool very quick. We're expecting an 85.5% chance that the basis points will be raised by 75 basis points, and 14.5% chance that it will be 50 basis points. So I'll explain what this means for Bitcoin right now. So basically, the higher the basis points, the higher the increase in basis points is referred to in economics as hawkish. And when the Fed is hawkish, it's basically trying to increase interest rates to stop inflation. And when it's trying to stop inflation, and by raising interest rates, it's giving people borrow less money from the banks because of course it's more expensive to borrow money, therefore bringing down the economy. However, currently, because we're in a very high inflationary environment, increasing the interest rates are actually very beneficial for volatile assets in my opinion. So if the Fed goes on with 75 basis points, I do think with the right volume we could break out of this long-lasted descending triangle and move towards the $29,400 target. However, there is always a chance that the Fed will be dovish and make it so it's 50 basis points, and this could cause us to go further down. However, the Fed has been saying that they want to go up to 3 and 4% interest rates to stop inflation, and in that case 75 basis points would make sense. So if this happens, then I do believe personally that Bitcoin could break out from this descending triangle, and if it does not turn out to be 75 basis points, I think we'll be pushed down to potentially $18,000 or $19,000. However, I think it will be looking pretty good for Bitcoin, and also in the SMAs, we can see that the short-term and mid-term moving averages have crossed over bullishly, and we're retesting back to this short-term moving average. So if we hold this level and we keep the volume, then I do think we can break out of here very soon. However, the next 24 hours are very critical for Bitcoin. The MACD looks very nice. The stochastic looks very nice because we have flipped bullish on the weekly chart. We're also on the MACD looking pretty good as well. We have not shifted to the dark green color yet, so we're looking pretty good. If I can find the MACD line, okay, yeah, we're heading upwards. So MACD and stochastic look pretty good. Arun, we're coming down, and the green is about to cross over. By the way, there's a lot of mathematics involved in the oscillators, but it's very hard to cover. So maybe one day I can go through the mathematics of these indicators as well, because it's very interesting to learn and to know what you're actually seeing on the chart. So for Bitcoin, I do feel bullish. If we jump into the daily chart, let's see what we're looking at on the daily. We are forming a bullish, a bull flag. We have actually formed, if I can find my pen, where the pen is, anyways, I'll show you with the cross. So we have formed a double bottom. This was the break of the neckline. Right now we're testing around the neckline. However, if we do break above this this resistance, I do think we can continue higher and definitely break out with some volume and maybe come down and retest the descending triangle once again. So this is what I think for Bitcoin. Dogecoin is actually very interesting because yesterday, you know how I was pretty bearish 2 videos ago because I was like, yeah, okay, the time is up for Dogecoin. However, we have broken out of this broadening channel, and I did say watch out for the broadening channel, because if we break out of this resistance, Dogecoin can go even higher. So that was a nice prediction. But yeah, we did go higher again with CZ tweeting about Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. I think it was not Dogecoin, but other cryptocurrencies that could be integrated into Twitter. Some more Elon Musk speculation, but I do feel like this is the end, because we would be forming a double top as well, coming down to this level. So you never know. Dogecoin is very risky. So are other altcoins. That's why I try to stick with Bitcoin for the best that I can, because I think it's the least, personally, I think it's the asset, it's the cryptocurrency that doesn't get affected by, small speculations. So, but of course it does, but not like Dogecoin. So if we have a look at the S&P 500, we are still coming down. This is the 200 period moving 200 period moving average, and we are so far, the reason why I put this up is because we have perfectly followed this 200 period day moving average, and right now we had tested back over here in the 1st of August and perfectly went down. However, now we're coming back towards it. Today was a bit bearish. However, in 24 hours, when the FOMC meeting results come out, if we have hawkish news, I do think we could retest it again. But I personally think we will form a lower high and continue down in the bearish trend due to the macroeconomic environment. If we look at the Bitcoin liquidations, so far $77.5 million in liquidations so far, not that huge. If we look at the longs to shorts ratio, right now it is a very even split on Bitcoin, about 50% long, 50% bearish. I think everybody's waiting for the Fed announcement tomorrow. If we look at the fear and greed index, we're still in fear. So again, I personally find it a very good time to DCA into Bitcoin right now, because you never know exactly when the low is going to be. And even if it is the low next year, maybe $14,000, you're still not that very, it's not that greatly off if you DCA every single month. So yeah, it should be fine. And we're looking at the Bitcoin, the rainbow price chart for Bitcoin. We're at a fire sale according to this chart. I really like it because it's actually based on the logarithmic regression channel, and this is a very good indicator that is most of the times right. So yeah, it's according to the regression channel, it is a very good time to buy. However, if we break down from here, we have actually never done this in a while, so it would be a catastrophe. So yeah, I hope this holds. And if we look into the crypto bubbles, again, Dogecoin is soaring, so is SHIB coming behind it, of course, and we're looking at some other altcoins that are performing well as well. So again, the Fed will announce the interest rates in 1 day and 1 hour and 22 minutes. So make sure to be on alert for that. And I will post any updates on the Telegram channel, my free Telegram channel. So make sure to join the free Telegram channel when I do some chart updates as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. I think this is a very critical video in terms of the Fed and how Bitcoin can react to it. So if you like this video, please do leave a like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be alerted when the new videos come immediately. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. So thank you, and bye-bye.